Okay, people. Me and the beard daughter are out here in Belcher coyote hunting today. And see if we can bust up some fur this morning. You ready, Sweet Pea? She didn't want to talk. Anyway, let's go ahead. Go ahead and hit that cottontail on the remote. And we're on, people. They'll come running in out of nowhere. Look, Sweet Pea. Come on, get out from behind that tree. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. One coyote down. That's what I'm talking about. All right, folks. Our first coyote down. Whew. That's one less that can eat my deer. All right, y'all. We'll sign off here. See if we can get another one to come. All right, y'all. Been here for like an hour and a half or so. Ain't seen nothing. Ain't heard nothing. Been through a whole repertoire of calls. We only got that one, but hey, it's our first one, and I couldn't be more prouder. And I got to take him, or to hit her with my daughter here present. So it's the first time we've ever been hunting, and we've killed anything. So anyway, we're about to shut all this down. We're going to climb down, and I'm going to take y'all over there, and we'll take a look at it. All right, see y'all here shortly. Okay, y'all, viewer discretion is advised. Look, here's where I first shot him. You coming over here? Nope. Why? Because it's a dead dog. It's a coyote. Oh, wow. Well, that is one coyote that will not be eating my deer. All right, we got some cameras to get because I'm not leaving them out here this season. I'm taking them all out to the other one where Kimbo's at, and we're doing all the work. So, I got a 3-day weekend. I plan on getting some Coyote hunting in, and we're going to make the fur fly this weekend, y'all. Do some deer chores, do some farm chores, maybe even cut a yard or two. Anyway, Beard Trader checking out. Survival equals life.